Guys, I listened something like that to Bitcoin will hit 40 USD dollar just in only 1 week. Can you believe on this? Seriously? Let's start a brand video. In this video, you will understand completely, my friends, to the price will hit this target or not, and how much more, my friends. So let's start a brand video. But kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Guys, let's see, my friend. First of all, I will tell you, my friends, in upcoming time we are going to collaborate, my friends. But definitely make sure, my friend, if you are new, that don't worry, my friend. I'm sure. All right. If we talk about, my friends, the BTC latest and current price and the price target, definitely, my friends, it is very important for everyone. So the price change occurred 1.49%. The price of BTC was increasing, and 363 USD dollar was the current price. And I'm sure, my friend, to win the price was dumping down. That's clear, my friends. Too. It's done. All right. So holders, if we talk about the latest update, my friends, so absolutely the latest update was very shocking. Nobody can expect this now. My friends, the price of all cryptocurrencies prices will be increasing, but if you are starting holding, all right, so hold now. Thanks for watching, Bitcoin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz and take care.